Welcome to our video on how to earn from the internet. In this video, we will explore various methods and strategies to make money online. One popular way to earn from the internet is through freelance work. Many platforms offer opportunities for freelancers to showcase their skills and find clients. Another method is by starting an online business. With the right idea and execution, you can create a profitable venture from the comfort of your own home. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale, you can generate revenue while you sleep. Creating and selling online courses is another lucrative option. Share your knowledge and expertise with others while earning money from course enrollments. Blogging and content creation can also be a profitable endeavor. By producing valuable content and monetizing it through ads or sponsored posts, you can turn your passion into income. E-commerce platforms provide opportunities to sell products online. Whether it's dropshipping, handmade crafts, or reselling, you can leverage these platforms to reach a wide customer base. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to earn from the internet. Find the method that aligns with your skills and interests, and start your journey towards financial independence.